Wow, welcome to today's recipe. Today we are making half cakes ama kangumu. Ngumu. In Kiswahili we say ngumu. The hard cakes. So let's start. We take 2 eggs. Yeah, 2 eggs. And mix them. Try to mix them. Once you're done mixing, you add the other ingredients. We are adding 5 tablespoons of sugar, or the amount whichever taste you want, but not too sugary. Don't make it too sugary, but it tastes sweet when it has quite some sugar. So now we're adding 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil, depending on whichever vegetable oil that you're using. You mix again. For this one, you mix a bit thorough, the sugar to dissolve a bit. Then you use your 1 cup of flour. For those that are not using self-raise, you can use just the all-purpose flour. Then you add half a tablespoon of baking powder, or 1 tablespoon, I think. So now you mix kidogo. Then you use your hand to beat the dough. Beat it as much as you want. Okay, today's word, it's coming from the book of Habakkuk, chapter 3, verse 17. I'm reading, is this New King James? It's King James Version. I think it's King James Version, and it says, verse 17 says, though the fig tree does not bud, and there are no grapes on the vines, though the olive crop fails, and the fields produce no food, though there are no sheep in the pen, and no cattle in the stalls, yet I will rejoice in the Lord. I will be joyful in God my Savior. Wow. Can I read again? I read again in Kikamba. Ona mikoyo yale ya kulauka, kana misavivu ile ya kusia, na midhata ijithiwa itena oshiao, na mionda iilea kwithiwa na ngetha, na mbui na malondu ithela shiengoni, na otau indo iya otuini. Nye ngaendeea kutana nthini wa mwea Ngai, ngatanea Ngai mutangei wako. Amen. Now I'm cutting, I'm sizing it. I'm sizing to the size that I want. You will cut to the size that you want, but I think smaller size or medium size, it's okay. So these verses, the word of the Lord is telling us, even if our fig tree, let's say call our fig trees like the places where we work or whatever we do for a living, if it does not produce any fruit, or the fruits are little, or the grapes, that is the fruits, does not, or the vines does not produce anything or food, yet we shall rejoice in the Lord. In everything, rejoice in the Lord. He knows our tomorrow. He says He has written our names on the palm of His hands. And if it doesn't work today, tomorrow it's gonna work, right? Tomorrow it's gonna be better. So let's put the effort. Let's do our part. And I believe God will give us the produce. We shall yield 100-fold, even 60-fold, even 30-fold, according to His grace and His power that works within us, right? Yeah. So let's continue. This one you're supposed to cook it, to fry it on low heat. I forgot mine, that's why it has burned some. I got distracted, that's why. But it's coming out well. So we continue with the rest of the dough. Spread it, roll the dough carefully. Do not make it thin, make it slightly thicker. Yeah, for room to inaitwa kufanya nini? Hii kutoa kauka, hiyo kubust, hiyo whatever it means, that's what I mean. Yeah, give it room to do that. So yeah, continue with the rest. We slice them. I've sliced two of them a bit bigger. I want to see the outcome of the bigger ones, but I'm not sure it'll be okay. I'm not sure, but we are trying. So we continue with our already heated oil. We do the rest. How are you coming this far? If you're watching till this far, thank you. Kindly subscribe, kindly like, kindly share. This will do me so good, so good, until you help me to grow. And I'll appreciate so much. Next time, what I've noted, next time I will try to put a bit more oil. Yeah, I've noticed when the oil is it's a bit low, it's tending to kauka before it does the hiyo kutoa huyo ugumu, that is. But it's doing well. You can see it's working. Don't mistake this with mandazi. This is not mandazi, this is half cake. This is ngumu, soft ngumu. Soft ngumu. Which song can I sing for you today? Can I sing a Kikuyu one? Oh my god. That's it, mwari wakwa kumwari nini wakwa nikuonete we mwega Jesu wabararire womothe narushu kinyatene. Check how beautiful it looks. Check this is what I was meaning by crack. You see, looks beautiful, and so soft and very tasty. Oh, it's so crunchy by this, so crunchy. Oh, I wish you try this. Try this. It'll do you good. Take it as a snack, whereas you're going. Take it as a breakfast, part of your breakfast, and yeah, bye.